Welcome to Leavenworth, where homeowners take pride in their properties. But clogged gutters can lead to water damage, mold growth, and even pest infestations. That's where our gutter leaf guards come in. With years of expertise in gutter protection, we offer solutions that keep your gutters clean and working efficiently all year round. Our gutter leaf guards prevent clogs, leaks, and costly repairs, giving you peace of mind and saving you money. In Leavenworth, many homes face gutter-related damage every year. Don't let yours be one of them. Our gutter leaf guards effectively keep debris out, ensuring that water flows smoothly and safely away from your home. This not only protects your property from water damage, but also enhances its curb appeal and value. Ready to protect your gutters? Contact us today. Call the Gutter Guys at 866-931-8441 or visit our website at https://thegutterguys.llc. The Gutter Guys, your trusted partner in keeping your home safe, beautiful, and worry-free. Reach out now and see the difference. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your gutters with the Gutter Guys today.